How to download Behance project as PDF. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download a Behance project as a PDF. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. To download Behance project as PDF, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Log into Lasso by entering your email or using Google at Lasso's Behance to PDF conversion page. Step 2. Enter your Behance project URL by copying it from your browser and pasting it into the designated field on Lasso. Step 3. Click the Convert button to start the conversion process. It may take a few minutes depending on the size of your project. Step 4. Once the conversion is complete, download the PDF. To get a non-watermark version, you'll need a paid account. So that's how you can download a Behance project as a PDF. That's all for this video.